ማጣትንም ያክል ነገር ያጣንበት መንገድ ህጋዊነት ችግር እንዳለው ማሳያው ተቋሞች አልገቡበትም። ካቢኔው አያውቀውም። አንድ ገጽ ወረቀት ማግኘት አልቻልንም። እንዴት እንዳጣ ነው የሚያስረዳ እና ህዝብ የማያውቀው ፓርላማ የማያውቀው ካቢኔ የማያውቀው የኢትዮጵያን የባህር አክሰስ ውሳኔ የሚያሳጣ ነገር የወሰነው ማን ነው የሚል ጥያቄ ማንሳት እንዴት ስህተት ሊሆን ይችላል? ካለኝ ነገርን ከሌለ ግን ይሄ ጉዳይ ይሄን አንስቶ እንደ መድፋት አይደለም። የህልውና ጉዳይ ነው። ማን ወሰነው?
ማን ወሰነ? በጣም ወሳኝ ጥያቄ ነው። እዚህ ጋር ለመላበት የሚነበብላችሁ ከሆነ የነበረው ጉዳይ ነው። የአሳጤ 93 ስቴት ሁድ ሪኮግኒሽን ፕሮሰስ ነው። የኤርትራ ፕሮሰስ አጋጣሚ ብዙ ሰው የማይገባው እንትን ስለሚሆን ፕሮሰሱ ምን ነበር ብላችሁ ለምታስቡ የሪፈረንደም ጉዳይ ዩኤን ሱፐርቫይዝድ ሪፈረንደም ተደረገ። 98.8 አገኙ። ይኸው እንትን አለ የዩኤን ሪፖርት አለ እዛ ላይ የምታዩት ነው። ከዛ ጆይንት እንትን አለ ጆይንት ኮሚኒኬ አለ ፎርማል ሪኮግኒሽን በኢትዮጵያ አፍተር ዘ ሪፈረንደም አለ ሳይንድ ባይ መለስ ዜናዊ እና ኢሳያስ አፈወርቂ ይላል 27 ኤፕሪል 1993 ላይ። ከዛ ያው ፓርላመንታሪ ኢንፎርስመንት አለ ኖት ቨርባል ቱ ዘ ዩኤን አለ ወደ ዩኤን ጻፈ ሌተር ቱ ዘ ኦኤዩ ነው ያኔ አፍሪካ ህብረት አልነበረም የኦኤዩ የሚባለው ነው ከአፍሪካ ህብረት በፊት የነበረው። ከዛ የኢንዲፔንደንት አድሚሽን የኢንተርናሽናል አድሚሽን በዚህ የገባችው ቀን ደግሞ እዛ ላይ ያለ አንቀጹ የዩኤን ሴኩሪቲ ካውንስል ሪፈረንሱ ምናምን ኤሪትሪያ አድሚትድ ቱ ዩኤን ኤንድ ኦኤዩ ፎሎዊንግ ኢትዮጵያስ ኮንሰንት ላይ እዛ ላይ ያለ መጨረሻ እንትን ላይ ያለ ይሄ ፕሮሰሱ ነው።
የአልጀርሱን ስምምነት ሙሉ ለሙሉ በመቀበል እንዲሁም የኢትዮ ኤርትራ ድንበር ባውንደሪ ውሳኔውን ሙሉ ለሙሉ በመቀበልና ያለምንም ማመንታት ተግባራዊ በማድረግ ከኤርትራ ጋር ያለንን የሰላም ሁኔታ ወደ ሙሉ ሰላም በመንገባበትን አቅጣጫ አስቀምጧል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ የኢትዮጵያ መንግስት ለኤርትራ ህዝብና ለኤርትራ መንግስት በአዲስ መልክ የሰላም ጥሪ የሰላም ዝግጁነት ያቀርባል።
You're working with the federal government that you spent years calling war criminals. You said Abiy Ahmed, and I'm quoting you, perfected genocide into an art form. Do you stand by those genocide accusations or have you walked them back now that you work with?
Whatever the superlatives there, I know all kinds of crimes were committed in Tigray.
Did Abiy Ahmed carry out a genocide?
I will tell you this, as a lawyer, yes. I cannot say who did this and that, but the crime was committed in Tigray.
You're a lawyer?
Yeah.
Were you not a lawyer in 2021 when you said Abiy Ahmed has carried out a genocidal campaign?
Yeah, I was a lawyer.
Were you not a lawyer when you said Abiy committed genocide on the people of Tigray?
I was a lawyer, and I was in the heat of a conflict that was claiming the lives of hundreds of thousands of people.
So was it a genocide or not?
I believe genocide has been committed in Tigray.
By Abiy Ahmed?
Well, I have to be responsible for my words now.
So you weren't responsible
and
before?
I am ready to stand by my position that genocide has been committed.
I'm confused. Just to clarify for the audience watching, you still believe it was a genocide,
yes.
But you're not willing to say he did the genocide?
Yes.
It was a genocide that just happened by itself?
No, there were so many actors involved.
Okay.
So what I'm saying is...
Was he one of them?
Well, the war on Tigray was led by Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed himself.
So he led the genocide?
I mean, we don't have to be that specific.
We do.
He led the war.
That's why we invited you here, to find out your views.
He led the war.
He led the war.
So I will give him the opportunity to defend himself in public, in court.
Okay.
What I'm saying is all kinds of crimes.
You mentioned...
Crimes, ethnic cleansing, genocide were committed. As a matter of fact, he was a very close friend even before he got elected. So, but
who was
what he said... Abiy was my close friend.
You hated him. You said he was a genocidal warmonger, imperialist.
Yeah, but
weird friends you have.
That doesn't change the fact that we're friends.
The fact that he's a genocidal warmonger didn't change the fact that you were friends.
No. I'm stating the fact.
Before the genocide, yes. You mean you were friends?
Yes.
And after the genocide, you were friends. Just during the genocide, you weren't friends.
We were fighting each other. We're at each other's
yes, and thousands of people.
No. I mean, let's not belittle the whole idea of this genocide, whatever. What I'm saying is...
I'm not the one belittling you. You're the one who said you used to be friends with the guy you accused of being genocidal.